In this video I'm going to show you how to make a sun follower. It's very easy and you can do it in a few minutes. So first you will need the base and you are going to put all the electronics on there. The first one is the Arduino, it's the brain of the whole project. With that we are going to place the breadboard, and the breadboard is needed to connect all the wires and sensors together without soldering. Then we need the servo, and the servo is a small motor that will turn the solar panel. Okay, now we're going to solder the power lines to the solar panel. We don't need it, but it's nice to measure the voltage of the solar panel, and of course if you want to use the solar panel. Now we're going to place the LDR sensors. I use a hot glue stick and it's very easy to attach them, and you can easily get them off if you need them for another project as well. So we need two of these sensors on the side of the solar panel. So now we're going to connect the servo to the Arduino. The red cable goes to the 5V on the Arduino board. The black cable is the ground, and we're going to connect that to the ground of the Arduino. There are more grounds on the Arduino, so you can choose whatever wire you want. The signal wire goes to the digital output 9. To make these light sensors work, we need some pull down resistors. Here you can see how one of the sensors is wired. You need to do the same with the other one, but instead of analog pin 0, you have to connect it to analog pin 1. So now we can put the solar panel on the servo and connect the LDR wires to the breadboard that are connected to the Arduino. To make it work, we have to use these light stoppers. And these make sure that the light is perfectly the same only when the sun is directly shining on the solar panel. So now you're done. The code is in the description. You can copy and paste them right there. After uploading, it will work. If the solar panel will go the opposite way of the sun, you have to change the A0 and A1 wires, and then it will work properly. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode. Please let me know what you want to see next and subscribe to my channel to support me.